Hello, mag-hi kayo.
Good morning!
Kabalo na ka mag-charge.
Hangol ng kwarta.
Ano, tara.
Tara, let's go, let's go.
ご配慮ください。車内マナー向上にご協力。市営バスから車内事故防止のお願いです。
Sunking Garden. We're here.
Balik na ko na niya tila.
Ano ba?
Give headset ni mo.
Ano?
At ibalik ko yung headset mo maya.
Ah, okay. So, yun naman yung mga flowers nila na parang plastic, oh. Ang ganda. Ito parang ano na.
Ito mundo.
Ayun yung before, when we're kids.
Dalawa.
Ah, hindi ko. Gold sa na iba!
2, 3, go.
Daddy, copy me, mommy.
Tama na, lamb.
More! I shall take.
Okay lang yung ano mo, nose mo, pasukan ng ano. Gold, pasukan my mouth! Ba't kasi nakabuka yung
Saan
bibig?
mo naman eh?
I was talking and then ano.
Sunking Garden.
Ingat, wala kayong pang-swimming na tinawag mo.
Mommy, they keep on drowning the turtle.
Be careful, ha?
Look at that koi fish. Look at that koi fish. It's beautiful. Look at that one.
Ay, grabe, ang laki.
Look at that koi fish.
Mommy, tanawa ko, turtle.
Dako kay bao.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's 3 turtles.
Dango and ice cream. Sweet soy sauce dango.
Can I taste?
Lilain niyo siya flavor eh. May walnut. Can I try the Sakura ice cream? Sakura ice cream.
Nick. Don't bite!
Down now. I'm trying to show them that you have food.
It's good. Tara na. Oh, na sila gusto mo lakaw dari. Lingaw na sila sa isda. Hanapin mga nagasutog yukata. Dito may nagpalit og dango and ice cream. Ah.
Go, Mari.
Sige, kwarta na muna. Tara na sa kwarto.
Nakapiling ko may ano na dito ba? May namatay na dito.
Joon.
これは子供じゃないと思ってて。
Tell your mommy, want to
Ano ba kasi
buy
yan?
this one.
It won't bite. Many of my friends like it.
Uy, sana, ma, nagkuha na po kag ano, insekto. Hilig dyan na siya yung ano, tilo.
Yeah, I saw it.
Put that in mommy's leg.
Okay, mommy.
Ay, baka mawala yan ba? Kaya mauri ba yan?
Yo.
Oh, prenup. Flowers.
Ay,
Namin mabasa. Musaka mo ni siya
And
dali.
when I saw the Asian board, I'm like,
Sakit sa likod.
Mari, I shouldn't have.
Binasa Arashiyama, Bamboo Forest ka na.
Yes. We're going to the Mount Fuji and doors. Punta kami nung old ano siya ka ng old villa siya.
Kanon, konnichiwa. Uy, dito, uy.
Ha?
Mas gwapo dito sa outer kaysa dari.
Si outer.
Atong gito na to ganina. Ay inner dito, outer din.
Ay, out.
Going to bus station. Gityo na.
Ayan, pagsamahin kayo po. Welcome to BGC of Japan.
I just woke up. Natog ko sa bus.
Sabi ko kay JR, ano, be, tignan mo ha, kasi sa tila lang mo tulog. Dili. Tabok mo din ako kay JR. Mudaan ta sa gitna kadali tila.
Okay.
Mauni! Anong cable ka ng cable car? May ano ata iba man ata yung price ng bata matanda ka 1,000 something.
Ayun yung Cosmo World.
Ito, itong Night Ferris wheel.
Ay, hindi pala yan.
Hindi, ito yung Cosmo World.
Manya ko ah.
Still without my food.
Siya? Wait lang. Ano po?
Ikimasu!
Ano ba kung ganyan yan?
100
Kaya.
It's for me, I don't understand because I understand
Yung blue net.
I didn't even it's so boring. I don't care.
We had the supermarket, and the supermarket was on the, it's kind of like, there's a building in the supermarket, and then there's an area, like a market area as well, and there were some stores, and they would always sell fish, and we would put the salmon, like, yeah, and salmon.
Up there.
Like trial area, and I was trying every food. but
Pwede na mo ano, designan. Pwede na mo siya designan. Kanina ka ba? Pwede na mo na siya gawin yan. Designan. Or, di ba kapag kaunting na?
Nakita kong kamot. Para siyang...
Second floor, ma'am.
Okay, say hi.
Hi!
Konnichiwa.
Okay lang ka, ma'am.
Atina.
George,
Di man makita, malayo man siya sa picture tanawon.
halika. Still magulo. Look at the system.
Inside. Oh? Ang sikip niya sa loob, no? Atina.
So, please watch this video before we start. How many people are going to be playing?
Two of them.
Nobody.
Just those two?
Yeah, just two of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, your dad will fun.
Okay. Kamu sa Tina.
Pag video lab, may mo cellphone para tinaw.
Double kill.
Sino na double kill? Paano malaman? Atina, you're back! Uy, patay!
Double kill.
Feeling ko si Mauri. Ano ka ba naman mag-reload? Magtago ka mag-reload.
Ouch, Doc, ouch.
Like to the last bullet, blue team leads. Four, three, two, one. End of the round. The blue team won.
Nasya ka pa, Athena. You're not even hiding. You're just letting them...
Hiding.
You're letting them...
Yeah, we definitely lost.
We definitely lost because you're not even hiding.
Hide.
Yeah.
I was hiding.
One, you're one.
And you're number 5.
Oh, 5 pala ikaw.
There you go.
Picture kang dalawa.
Sino meron dyan?
So this is the score, total score. That's how many you killed.
7
You got the killed.
Let me show yours.
And then you skip this, and then how many you hit, the shot and hit,
Headshot.
and how many got hit, and then total shots, and that's how much, like 3%. You could hit accuracy.
Oh, okay.
Abot
Sa Athena siguro na. Pero 517.
What do I feel like this is Athena?
This is Athena.
Wow.
Because Athena shot.
No, I
517.
remember Mario was called 5. I'm so confused. Huh? Which one's ours?
Atod.
Mario, you did. And I was bad.
Cosmo World.
Cosmo!
Ito yung pinakamaba yung pila, yung very sweet. Kaya hindi sila sumakay. Hindi kami sumakay dyan eh.
Ah, dagan na yan nagpila.
O, ano kay Jer, pila yan.
Ayun oh.
Kaya hindi kami sumakay ni Mama dyan. Ito, wala kang pila. Itong pila. Ayun yung ferry, ayun yung roller coaster ah.
What adventure!
There, Mirror Adventure.
Problema kay ko sa akong coins. Kaya wala ko ilalagyan. Ito na siya.
Huwag kayo kung sila. Magkano yan? 300 lang yan?
Oh, 300 yen. Kanino yan? Kay Mauri?
Ako ah.
Wala. Kitim sa'yo.
Sige ko.
Tigulog dito sa likod. Tigulog dito. Ang bata ganyan.
Ano yan?
Tara.
I don't know what's the name.
This is Lala Chan Cutie's castle. Welcome to her castle.
Ang ganda, no? Parang...
Di mo, picture ka ng clear?
Ano kita laki? Ulit, magkulatan usap.
Oh, sab daw, be.
Diyan tong palungan ng suga la.
Kasi palungon na suga.
Palungan daw suga ng residuum light.
In-order din ba?
Dinner at Sukiya. Wait lang. Ang sikat sa ila dari ang ilang gyudon. Kaniya mag-order.
3, 2, 1, unboxing challenge.
Ow!
It's a dumpling unboxing.
Eh, kaya tama yun lang.
What's that? What's na?
Dili, uy, katsudon man yata imo pasabot.
Atong beef, di ba? Gyudon to?
Ito nga nung giprito man. Gyudon sa Japan J na original. Wala man, dili man giprito. Tulawin na lang sa niyo.
Iko. Kaya, ano na?
Gusto ka ni?
Kaya. Ah. Langan.
Thank you for our
Amazing trip.
sige go. Si Mauri na lang.
Thank you for our amazing trip. Goodbye.
And see you next year.
And
see you next year, Yokohama.
If we have money. Yeah, if we have peso. If we have peso.